All right, everybody, we're on day 9 of the learning packet, the math section. The My Homework page, lesson 3, talks about using known facts or doubling known facts. What they're trying to explain with this model here is that you can find the answer to a problem like 6 times 5 by breaking down the 6 into its doubles facts. So here's what we know about 6. 6 can be doubled down into 3 plus 3, right? We know that we can take 6 down to its doubles, 3 and 3. If we do that and we find the answer to 3 times 5, which is what they did here, and we know 3 times 5 is 15, then we can find another 3 times 5, which is also 15, and then put them together to give us the answer for 6 times 5. So again, 6 can be broken into its double partners, 3 and 3. If you know that 3 times 5 is 15, and then the other 3 times 5 is 15, you can just put those together, 15 and 15, to find the answer for 6 times 5, which is 30. So what we're going to do down here is we're going to do the same thing using 4. I want to break 4 down into its double partners. 2 and 2 make 4. So I want to do an array of 2 times 5 and then another array of 2 times 5. Now I know that we already know 4 times 5 is 20, but it's a good fact for us to start with. So I'm going to make myself an array that is a 2 by 5 array. So I'm going to make 2 rows of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 times 5. And then I'm going to make another 2 times 5 array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just proving to you that this is one way to solve these problems. We know the answer is going to be 20 because we all know our 5s. 4 times 5 is 20. But look at how I can use breaking it down into its doubles to solve it. I know that this section right here that I just did in blue, I will pick a different color to highlight. This section right here, this first array, is 10. And then my second array, let's go with yellow, is also 10. And if I add them together, 10 and 10 make 20. So it helps for solving problems that you may not know the answer to, even though we knew the answer to this one. There are times when we don't know the answer, and this is one of those strategies that you can use. We know that 4 can be broken down into 2 and 2. 2 times 5 is 10. And then you just double it. 10 and another 10 make 20. Remember, we're just adding those together. We're not multiplying them, which is why it's 20, not 100. I'm just taking the 10, adding 10. So break a number down into its doubles, figure out what the answer would be for one of those, and then just double it, right? If you have any questions, make sure to ask them in Google Classroom. I'll be back with the Day 9 Math video Part 2, where we will be using doubles facts to answer some more problems and practicing that skill.